Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks. Zena's here, but she'll probably try to make a break for it. Wyatt is here, but he'll probably go to sleep, aren't you? Look how stiff he is. He's so funny. Yes, you're so funny. So that's the happy crew. I'm Laura, and I'm so happy you're spending time with me today because I have something new to my channel. This is the Kiwi Eco Box, and I'm especially happy about this box because it is all about being sustainable, eco-friendly, and all about how we can be protecting the planet. And I love that. It's basically everything you need to live zero waste. So how about that? This is a monthly subscription. The retail value of it is around $47 a month, and you pay $24.99 a month for it. And I'm excited to dig into this. This is September's box, which is no longer available, so they do sell out. But they have fun goodies already planned for October, and we're going to dig right in. So let's see what's in here. It comes in fun little eco-friendly packaging. Love the little bird there. And first thing I see is a little card that has a Scan Me QR code on it. And it says, open your camera app and point it steadily. And once you do this, it will actually give you the guidebook for all of your Kiwi Eco Box items in here. So it actually is like an ebook that tells you all about all the products that you got. And I got a little handwritten note that says, Laura, thank you for choosing Kiwi Eco Box, your choice, your planet. Best, Kate and Natalie. Isn't that cute? That's so sweet. Now this box was sent to me for review, but I'm all about anything we can do for zero waste, getting rid of the plastic. So that's what drew me to this box, and I'm super happy to be able to review it on my channel for you guys. All right, so here's what I see. You get 5 to 7 items in each box for your $24.99. If you choose to buy it quarterly or annually, that price does go down a little bit. So it's $22.50 a month if you buy it for a whole year at once. Okay, let's do this. So first up, and I actually do have each of the items here. I can tell you about it. And the first item I see here is a little reusable mesh bag. And you don't just get, it smells so wonderful in here. The smell coming out of this, this box is fabulous. So we'll get to that in a minute. But you get 2 of these mesh bags. There's 2 different sizes. And these are made of organic cotton, breathable, safe for all fruits, veggies, groceries, bulk items, nice alternatives for plastic bags. Farmer's market, it says, can be used to store toys, snacks, clothes, tools, or parts. So I like that there's 2 different sizes here and cute little storage bags. I like that you can use them for veggies. Sometimes I'm always looking for something to put items in and stick them in the refrigerator, so I like both of these. And just for reference, the small bag is 5 inches by 9 inches, and the bigger bag is 10 inches by 11 inches. Okay, and you can just machine wash them in cold and reuse them. All right, so next up is a bamboo dish sisal brush. Yeah. So isn't that nice? So our bamboo scrub brushes are made from sustainable, harvested, and renewable bamboo. High density, oil-free firm bristles make it easy to scrub out stains on a variety of surfaces, perfect for cast iron skillets, steel pots, pans, and dishes, and keep the sustainable bamboo handle and replace the brush head as needed 3 to 4 times a year. Fully compostable and vegan. So you're supposed to store it bristle side down to ensure it is fully dry. I love a good scrub brush. All right, next up, a cotton face mask. Isn't this something that we all need right now? Love the pattern on this. Can you see the sea turtle? I love it. I love the starfish and the ocean theme going on here. Not to mention, this thing smells fabulous. What do you guys think? Hopefully you can still hear me. This is cute. How cute is this? Okay, just making sure you guys can hear me. It's 2-layered fabric. It's handmade in Austin, Texas. It has the marine pattern and it's finished with 2 adjustable elastic hoops, and it is double layered. Love it. I love the pattern most of all. That's what I like the most about it. So this is perfect. We all need one of these right now. All right, I'm going to get to what smells so fabulous in this box, and that is what is inside this brown paper. And it is a natural shampoo bar. Smells heavenly. So I don't think I've ever used a shampoo bar, but I'm going to read to you what it says about this because I am highly interested. And it says, and this is what it would have said when I scanned that little QR code. So it says, if you're a truly natural, gentle environment, if you're searching for a truly natural, gentle, environmentally friendly, convenient, and cost-effective solution for chemical-laden plastic bottle shampoos, we have your solution. Our carefully selected ingredients give you a moisturized scalp and healthy, shiny hair. So all you do is wet your hair and rub directly on hair or lather up in your hands and apply to your hair, and then gently massage into scalp and rinse. Repeat if desired. And then occasionally rinse and condition with a 50-50 mix of apple cider vinegar and water, it says. So this is awesome. The smell is fantastic, and I'm actually looking forward to giving it a try. I've never done that before. Smells heavenly. That's why I know I've said that several times, but it so does. All right, what else have I got here? Check this out. So this is a bamboo travel toothbrush case. How cute is that? I love it. I usually just throw my toothbrush like in a makeup case, and it's loose in there with a bunch of other stuff. So this is perfect. I can definitely use this. It's made from 100% bamboo. And my last item is, yes, a toothbrush. Also made from bamboo, I believe. See, this is biodegradable, eco-friendly, and organic. And yes, it is also bamboo. How awesome is that? The bristles are made of high-quality nylon, completely free of BPA, with moderate hardness, which can not only effectively clean teeth, but also reduce irritation in sensitive gums and make teeth stronger. And that is all of my items. So we have the toothbrush case and the toothbrush, this amazing shampoo bar, which I am fascinated by, the scrub brush, my mask, which is now going in my purse because it's beautiful, and the 2 mesh bags. $24.99 a month, and it keeps you being protecting the planet, right? Removing all waste and plastic from your life, or at least being conscientious about it and try to take those steps. What do you guys think? I like it. I thought this was so fun. So just to recap, you do get 5 to 7 sustainable products each and every month for $24.99, and the retail value is typically around $47. So they have already started to put together the October box. You can no longer get this specific box. They ship the 15th of every month, and as long as you get your request in by the 12th, then usually you will get that box for the month. And if you don't want to get a monthly box, they do have a starter kit that you can get. So you can purchase a one-time starter kit to start on a zero waste starter kit. And they have the online eco store. It's a Kiwi EcoShop, which I'll put this information down below, so you can even pick and choose some zero waste items for yourself. So I think this is fun. And of course, I have a coupon code for you in case you would like to check the subscription out. If you use the code LAURA15, you will get 15% off your first subscription. All right, guys, so what did you think? Please comment down below. I can't wait to read your thoughts. I will put all of this information down below in case you want to shop their shop, check out the subscription. Of course, I'll put my code. Would love if you would give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more. Of course, if you could hit that subscribe button and help me out, it helps me continue to bring you new content. And if you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everybody, bye-bye.